I'm bored. What should I do? I know. Let me try using Ubuntu again. Yeah, okay, here we are, and, what the happened? What? Get this thing out of my sight! What the hell was that? Oh wait, there's another disc over here. I have another disc over here. What? Oh no, not again! Not again! Ah! I gotta find a place to hide. What the? Oh, balls. I'm sick of your shit! Okay, Justin Bieber, fine. You want a video? Let's take a look at Justin Bieber OS. So, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna be looking at something incredibly stupid today. Ubuntu? Maybe another time. Rebecca Black OS? This actually exists? Oh my god, I gotta look at this in a little bit. This doesn't even, what is this? This seriously exists? Like, I'm almost actually tearing up here. How does this exist? Oh, are you freaking kidding me? Anyone who takes it too seriously is silly and needs to take a dump. Debian. What? Oh, is that like Debian, but it's BB? Now, which Linux would this be? I don't know, like, which version of Linux. Okay, so this is apparently based off of Puppy Linux. Yeah, which is very well known for being super lightweight. And heck, if you look at this, it only uses about 600 megabytes of RAM. So, alright, let's boot her up and see what we get. I just can't believe this actually exists. Like, who asked for this? I like how it boots and immediately it's just, boom! It's like Justin Bieber's face. Ooh, it's all Linuxy. Oh my god! Take deep breaths. Okay, so first thing I gotta say, this almost reminds me of Mac OS X a little bit, where it had like these buttons. You know, it was all reflective. It was cool. You know, it was just fascinating. But oh, that's interesting. It's actually got a beep whenever I try to delete something. Actually, we're gonna change the resolution because. Yeah, we're gonna set that to 1080p so you guys can see better. How about Bieber sucks? Oh my god, it's literally... The wallpaper is looping! That's even creepier! I can't even see the clock. This is a great design. I can't even see the clock. Let's change the wallpaper. Let's see what we got. We got default. Okay, why is this not... Can I close this, please? Why is this not... Yeah, this is not looking too good for you, Justin. I'm just saying. Wait a minute. Oh! Wow, this is not looking too good for you. Wow, this is terrible. Oh my god, I just realized the date modified. They're from 2011. Is this seriously from 2011? I understand this is sort of a joke. And hey, you know what? Props to you, because I mean, this probably worked on some people. Okay, why every time I click, it changes? What is that a puppy dog Linux thing? I think that's what it is. Oh yeah, look how old this is. Oh my god, you can torrent. Me just saying that alone, if my video was monetized, this would probably immediately get demonetized just because I said torrent. Wow, so the internet still works on here? Holy crap-a-roni! It doesn't work. Dang it. Man, that just sucks you can't go... Yeah, that shows you just how old this... Okay, where did my... I just clicked back. Oh my god, it just crashed? Yeah, okay, this is really starting to annoy me. Every time you click... It just changes the wallpaper. I don't know why it does that. October 2009. Oh, man. Actually, Maybe, let me see those pictures. Maybe I can get like a date. 2011. Yeah, no, this is like old school Linux right here. Yeah, no, this was before Linux was, how would you say it, good? Oh, I think I just triggered some Linux fanboys in the comments. Probably not really, because they probably even know this is trash. I can't even... This is so bad. Literally when I click the desktop. Hey, look at that, guys. Justin Bieber provided us with Genie 0.20. What? I'm just trying to think of like a Flash game I could play. Oh my god. Can't even. Yep, it crashed. Literally every time. That is so stupid. What about, hang on, what about Toasty Tech? Here we go. Hey, this works at least. Yeah, so basically like the very old websites are like the only ones. And I'm talking like very old, like what you just saw there. Heck, I'm not even sure if this has like a... Does this have a package manager? Does this have a package, like a GUI package manager? I know you can add packages through the command prompt, but yeah, we're just gonna do it the more normie way, and we're gonna see if we can do it the GUI way. Yeah, this is like one of the worst operating systems I have used in my life. Like, I can't even, if I can't even do the basic task of going on the internet, yeah, you've automatically failed right there, Justin. But hey, you know what? Considering this is a joke, you know, I'm gonna cut it some slack, but yeah, if you're planning on using this for, you know, for daily usage, please don't, because I can't even, you could barely even go on the internet on this thing. I said, the internet, that's like one of the easiest things to access with Linux. Like they say, if you just use your computer for the internet, you could use Linux, no problem. But this though, I can't even use the internet, so... Puppy bird. What is this kernel? 2.6! Wow! That's a little outdated. I'll say 2.6? What is with these bars? Settings? Oh, these are just like customization. Okay, this Justin Bieber wallpaper is seriously getting on my fucking nerves. Can I change this, please? Best top. So these are all literally like Justin Bieber wallpapers. Actually, wait a minute. I just realized. I think I know what this is. This is the multiple desktops. That's exactly what that is. When I click and it changes the desktop, I think that's exactly what that is. This is like the early version of that. Yeah, you can't even... Is there a way to just turn that off? I'm surprised there's not like Justin Bieber icons, or at least Justin Bieber related icons here. Oh wait, here's the package manager. Okay, here we go. Flash Player. Yeah, you guys remember Flash Player? Yeah, this is an old, like really old repository here. Like Firefox 4.0. Oh look, they even got your Tor browser. Yeah, I gotta tell you, like seeing all of this, it almost takes me back in time. You know, back when we had these much older programs, and it's so nostalgic. Not Justin Bieber, of course. Oh no, Justin Bieber was terrible. Will any of these work? I wonder, will any of these work? I guess not. Yeah, it's complete. Yeah, you can't even download from the packet. Oh, yeah, and it crashed. Look at that. No. I'm not using this. I am not using this anymore. Who would actually use this as a desktop operating system? Like, as an actual, like, current desktop? Because you can't even do anything with this. I went on the internet, but it just... The only website I could go to was Google. And even that was kind of... And that was letting me to other links that wouldn't work. You know, you got the same four crappy Justin Bieber wallpapers here. You got... This is a mess. It's hammer time! Oh! Yeah! Freaking love that. The beast is gone. This OS is officially gone! Yeah! Yeah! Look at this. It's toast. Now Justin Bieber will not possess me anymore.